Welcome back to Revo's Recreation. Today I am here with the recipe of coconut dosha. For this I have taken 2.5 cup of white rice. Just wash the rice and soak for 2-3 hours. Now rice is well soaked. Now we can grind it. In the mixer jar, add the rice, half cup of coconut, and half tablespoon salt. And grind it well. You can add salt if necessary. Make the batter very thin like this. This is the consistency we required. Now heat the pan. Brush the pan with the oil. Now just pour the batter in this way. No need to spread it. Cover it and cook for 2 minutes. Now brush the oil on top of dosha and flip it. Once it is cooked on both the sides, we can take it out. Make the remaining doshas in the same way. Now all doshas are ready. Serve it hot with the onion chutney or sambar. It is very tasty Kerala traditional dosha. Hope all of you will try. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye.